learn and process information, mimicking the human brain. Today we'll explore what neural networks are, how they work, and why they are so powerful in AI technology. Whether you're a beginner or have some knowledge of AI, you're in the right place. Let's get started. At its core, a neural network is a system of algorithms that attempts to recognize patterns. It's modeled after the human brain, consisting of neurons that are interconnected, allowing it to learn from data. These networks are composed of multiple layers: an input layer that takes in information, hidden layers where the magic happens, and an output layer that gives the result. Just like how our brain processes information through neurons, a neural network processes data through these connections. So how do neural networks actually learn? It all starts with data. Let's say you're teaching a network to recognize images of cats and dogs. The input layer takes in the pixel data from the image, which is then passed through the hidden layers where each neuron performs a mathematical calculation. These calculations determine which features of the image, like the shape of the ears or fur pattern, are most important. Finally, the output layer predicts whether the image is a cat or a dog. The network learns by adjusting the weights between neurons through a process called backpropagation, improving its accuracy over time. Neural networks have a few key components that make them powerful. First, there's the activation function, which determines whether a neuron should be activated based on the input it receives. This helps the network learn complex patterns. Next is the concept of deep learning, which refers to neural networks with many hidden layers. More layers allow the network to capture intricate patterns, which is why deep learning is used in tasks like image recognition, speech processing, and even playing games. Neural networks have led to breakthroughs in countless fields. In healthcare, they're used to diagnose diseases from medical scans. In finance, they're analyzing data to predict stock market trends. They power technologies like self-driving cars, voice assistants, and even the recommendation systems you see on Netflix or YouTube. Every time you use Google to search for something, there's a neural network working behind the scenes to deliver the most relevant results. But neural networks aren't perfect. One of the biggest challenges is overfitting, where the network becomes too specialized to the training data and struggles to generalize to new information. Neural networks also require vast amounts of data and computational power to function effectively, making them costly and time-consuming to train. Despite these challenges, the future of neural networks is bright. Researchers are constantly improving architectures like convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks to make AI smarter and faster. As we continue to unlock the potential of neural networks, the possibilities for innovation are endless, from more personalized medicine to creating art and music. That wraps up our journey through neural networks. We hope you've gained a clearer understanding of how these systems work and their impact on the world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on AI and technology. Thanks for watching.